Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and in this video I'll discuss and explain how we can scale the AutoCAD drawing and convert it into PDF so that we can finally print from there. Okay, first of all, go to layout, then by using a rectangular tool create a viewport and make sure that viewport lies inside the dotted rectangle. Okay, and you can make a rectangle here, and after that you can directly double click here to enter into model space, or you can type ms and enter. Okay, and from there you can zoom in and zoom out the drawing. Okay, and you can see the scale here. You can set the required scale as I will select 1:100, and it shows that our drawing is larger than the paper size. As you can see that the paper size is smaller than our drawing, we have to modify the page setup. Okay, for that right click in layout, go to the page setup manager and modify it, and I will be converting it to PDF, so I will select drawing to PDF, and the paper size will be A1, ISO A1 in landscape mode. Okay, and in here, if your drawing unit is mm, then you should enter 1 mm is equal to 1, but my drawing is in inches, so I will select 1 inches equals to 1 units. Okay, and if your unit is meter, then you have to enter 1000 inches is 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, then we can select the plot style. I want colorful drawing, so I'll select ACAD. If you want black and white, then you can select monochrome, then click on OK and close. Okay, and let's delete it. For that you can directly go to page setup by the command ps, or you can directly double click here to get out of the model space. Okay, let's delete it, and I will make another rectangular viewport. I'll make another rectangular viewport from here, and we can also move it if you want to as per our requirement. Okay, you can move it, and after that go to model space, ms enter, and you can directly zoom in by using the scroll button, or you can directly enter z, enter, and then select it to zoom to its full extent. Okay, and from here you can select your scale. I want to make it 1:100, so I'll select it, and you can see it perfectly fits within this viewport. And you can pan here if you like to adjust it, but don't zoom in or out, because it will change your scale. Okay, to see your scale you must select the viewport first. Okay, then you can see the scale, it hasn't changed. Okay, then you can lock it. To lock the viewport, you can select lock, click on lock, then click on viewport. Okay, then enter, and our model is locked. So if you double enter here, you can't zoom in or zoom out the inside the model space. Okay, and our scale will be the same. And if you want to add custom scale, you can do that as well. First you have to unlock it, then click on viewport and enter, Okay, and from here you can also add custom scale. If you want to click on custom, then click add, then you can give name like, okay, 1:25, then one paper unit will be 25 in drawing, and select okay. Okay, now from here you can see that there is 1:25 in here. Okay, you can then select that scale. And now I don't want to change it here, so I will lock it and click here, then enter. Okay, then you can directly print it. You can directly enter plot command to print it. From here you can directly print it, or you can save the drawing to PDF. Click on OK, save. Now you can see that our drawing is ready for printing. Okay, and you can see here that there is another line of viewport. If you want to remove this line, what you can do here is select this line and make a separate layer, and then you can hide it from here. Okay, if you save it now, you can see that our rectangle of viewport has been gone. Okay, there was also table, and as I have hidden that, so it's not showing. Okay, so you can make a separate layer for the viewport, then you can hide it. Okay, and if you want to make a multiple viewports, then you can do that as well. Okay, first delete it and go to layout, then create rectangular viewports, and you can create multiple viewports. And from here you can go inside the viewport and select individual plans or sections, and you can also do the same here like this. And you can also select by directly entering J enter for zoom, and select like this. Okay, and you can give separate scale to each of these drawings, and make sure that you have written the scale within the AutoCAD drawing. By this you can easily convert it to PDF and scale it as per your requirement and print it. Okay, this was for this video. Thank you for watching.